5 phones you should buy instead of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has set the bar high as the most coveted smartphone on the market. With its cutting-edge AI, exceptional camera quality, and robust battery life, it stands out as a powerhouse of technology. However, its hefty price tag of $1,300 might make you pause and consider alternatives that offer comparable, if not superior, features in certain aspects. Here's a look at 5 smartphones that give the Galaxy S24 Ultra a run for its money. 1. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. What's the deal? The Galaxy S24 Plus emerges as a compelling alternative by offering a similar high-speed Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a 1440p AMOLED display, and 45W charging speeds for $300 less. Although it lacks the S Pen and periscope zoom lens, its negligible reductions in screen size and battery capacity hardly make a dent in its overall value. It proves to be the best value Samsung Galaxy S this year. 2. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Why consider it? The Galaxy S23 Ultra might be last year's model, but it's still a premium device. It's slightly lighter, has a marginally less pixel-dense display, and an older processor compared to the S24 Ultra. Yet it boasts a 10x zoom lens, surpassing the newer model's 5x zoom. For those seeking nearly the same high-end experience at a discount, the S23 Ultra is a smart pick. 3. OnePlus 12. The alternative approach. The OnePlus 12 positions itself as a direct competitor to the Galaxy S24 Ultra by focusing on raw specs over additional features. With up to 512GB of storage, 16GB of RAM, and a 1440p display, it matches the S24 Ultra's performance at a significantly lower starting price of $800. It's the go-to option for those prioritizing specifications and value. 4. Google Pixel 8 Pro. A camera powerhouse. Despite the S24 Ultra's advancements, the Google Pixel 8 Pro remains a strong contender, especially for camera enthusiasts. It offers superior real-life color accuracy and a clean Android experience, all packed in a similarly sized and powerful device. Starting at $999, it's a more budget-friendly alternative without compromising on quality. 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Embracing innovation. For those drawn to the S24 Ultra for its technological prowess, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 pushes the envelope further with its folding screen technology. Although it comes with a higher price tag of $1,099, it offers a unique tablet-like experience with a 7.6-inch inner display and a capable 6.2-inch external screen, making it an attractive choice for tech enthusiasts willing to invest in innovation.